Yeah.
So anyway, I quit that job and said, well, oh, so I'm really into the note business, but I don't even know anything about real estate. So then I go, well, I better get my real estate license. So I got my real estate license and hung it with a group down in SoCal where I used to live. And so I did a little bit of that, but I would always come back to the notes. And they were, besides being, general real estate company, they were also doing investing,
Hmm.
just buy low, fix, sell high. And during those years, you could be an absolute dunce and
Hmm.
make hundreds of thousands of dollars because the market was just going
Yep.
vertical. Right. And
Yeah.
so, cold call, learn how to cold call. Okay. And then so I would talk to seller after seller honey, are you sure you've got all these properties you don't want to manage anymore? Right. And they would say, we don't want your cash, honey. It doesn't matter how much it is, because here's the thing. We need income for retirement and we don't want to pay capital gains.
Hmm.
Also, we want to leave a great inheritance for our children. And I heard this over and over and over. And all of a sudden, one day I go, bing, this is where the note is. This is where notes
Yeah.
come from. It's like, it seems so obvious, but like back in
Aha.
the day, everything was this new little discovery. There was
Hmm.
no Queen University
Yeah.
that I went to. It was just like stumbling through life and figuring out how it worked. And so then at the meetings, when everyone would get together, let's talk about the deals. And so everyone would talk about the deals, and they said, well, they rejected this offer. And I said, well, why don't we ask them if they want to carry a note?
Yeah.
Like, they probably accept seller financing. You can pay. And so anyway, after this over and over and over, there's a gig guy in the office. And one day, he just said, I'm coming down the ramp to join the meeting for the day. And he's like, oh, there's that note queen. Always talks about
Oh,
notes, so that was a nickname and a joke,
Awesome.
right? So
oh,
I was known in the office as the note queen because they're all talking about just cash buying, cash selling. And I'm always seller financing and terms and all this
Yeah.
stuff. So then when they obviously, like a lot of people, went under in 2007, I think,
okay.
by 2007,
Yeah. Yeah.
it was
Yep.
going downhill. So I just went out on my own as my own real estate broker. And I said, well, what the heck? I might as well just keep it as a brand and see what happens.
Yeah.
And all the
Yeah.
respectable people in the industry were like, no, you can't do that. No one's going to take you seriously. And you know what? Nobody should.
Nope.
No, like you said at the beginning, like
Yep.
a lot of heart, not a lot of smarts. That's the perfect recipe for an entrepreneur. So there you go.
Yeah.
Just
Take
get
chances.
after it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
You're right. The best
Yeah.
thing, the way to learn notes is actually doing it. Like, it's not just play around, it's just do it. And we always talk about on
Yeah.
the show, listen, you may lose all your money, get experience, just like college. College is the same
Yeah.
thing, right? Like, you lose all your
Yeah.
money and all you have is experience. But with notes,
Yeah.
you may lose a deal, but still make a little bit of money. And now you have more money or got your principal back. Win-win. So
Yeah.
I agree with you. We have too many people kind of floating around and not enough people just trying it. If you want to limp in, there's ways of limping in. If you want to go head first, there's ways of doing that. But just by touching and playing and brokering, you're really doing yourself a disservice and you not learn the business.